Online classes of Raghu Sainik School. We are discussing articles. Articles, in that articles, we have discussed an rules, a rule, and the rules. Where we have to use these articles in a sentence. Now we are going to discuss omission of article. What is mean omission? What is mean omission? Means to remove. Omission means remove or not to use. Not to use. Where we don't want to use the articles we are discussing today. Okay, shall we start the class? Right. There are so many rules we have for that. Let's discuss further. Omission of articles. Rule number 1. No article is used before metals and materials. Metals. What are metals? Iron, gold. These type of things are called metals. And materials, whatever it may be, material means that we can touch. Okay, for that, before that, we don't want to use any article. Here we have some examples are there. Let's see that. Dash iron is a metal. So we don't want to use no article before the iron, gold, and coffee. Coffee is also a material, na? And sugar is also a material, na? Therefore, no article for materials. Right? Clear about that, Nana? What is the rule number 1? No article. No article means a and the. The three articles are not used before metals and materials. Clear? These are the example for this. Okay. Then next. Omission of articles. Rule number 2. Articles are not used with, very important, abstract nouns. What are that? Abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? We have already discussed in our parts of speech, types of noun. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the feelings and situation of mind, or else the things that we cannot touch, hear, or whatever it may be, physical existence, that are called abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are called no physical existence. No physical existence. Suppose honesty, love, hatred, beauty, sincerity, poverty, wisdom, strength, sanitation, knowledge. These are all abstract nouns. There are many things. Hate, we have discussed. Love, sad. Sad is also feeling. Na? These type of things are called abstract nouns. For that, we don't want to use what? No articles. You can say, sir, you have discussed in the and rules that for honest, we need to use an. There is honest is different from honesty, and then we are discussing he is dash honest man means we are describing his here is honest is not an noun, here is honest is the adjective here, adjective, therefore we can use an. Okay, here is honesty is the noun here, so we don't want to use any article. Is this clear? Very important rule is that articles are not used with abstract nouns such as honesty, love, hatred, beauty, sincerity, poverty, wisdom, strength, sanitation, knowledge. These type of words, before these words we don't want to use any articles. Is this clear? This is about rule number 2. Next, rule number 3, very important. Every year we have question from this rule. The names of games do not follow any article. I play cricket, she plays tennis, we watch football, Amir plays chess. Cricket, tennis, football, chess. These are names of games. Therefore, they don't have any article before them. See that? There is no I play a cricket. She plays the tennis. There is no that. Before the names of games, we don't want to use any article. Very important. Okay. What the third rule number 3, Nana? Everyone, while I am teaching, see the board. You have to read the sentence what I am reading like that. The names of games do not follow any article. Clear? Is this clear? Right. Next, rule number 4. Names of subjects and language do not follow article. Very important. He teaches English, not the English. Wrong. Okay. They study history. We like the study biology. Mathematics is very difficult to me. We can write maths is very difficult to me. You can write like this. Clear? Is this clear, Nana? Right. What, Nana? What is the rule number 4? Names of subjects, your academic subjects, and languages, Telugu, Hindi, German, French. These are all languages, na? We don't want to use any article before subjects and languages. Clear? Right. Next one is omission of articles, rule number 5. Very you can put any number of stars. With the words such as school, college, university, church, temple, mosque. What are that? School, college, university. These are education based. Church, temple, mosque. What this? Religion based or devotion based. Okay. For this, we don't want to use any article. For the purpose, what the purpose you are going to, why you go to school? Why you go to school? To read or to learn? right? Why you go to college? To learn. Why you go to university? To learn, to take subject. Is this clear? The teachers go to the school to teach, the lecturers go to the college to teach, university professor to go to universities to teach. There is learning, reading, teaching, learning, reading, teaching, learning, reading, teaching for the schools, college, universities. What about the church, temple, mosque? We go for prayer. This is the main thing, na? Main purpose. Main purpose. Main purpose. For main purpose, we don't want to use no article. We don't want to use no article. We don't want to use no article. Clear? Rather than that, if you go to school to meet your professor, if you meet your teacher, suppose you have completed your studies, you got the job, you want to meet your old teacher, that is not the primary purpose, na? That is not main purpose, na? So there you have to use the articles. Let us see. I go to school daily in the morning. I go to school daily and daily ఎందుకు వెళ్తావు నువ్వు? For the purpose of learning. Okay. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. I go to the school. We used the da here. To pick up my younger brother. Why you go to school? To learn. But your brother came to school for what? To pick you. Is it right or not? Is it right or not? So, for primary purpose, no article. For main purpose. For other purpose, we can use articles. We are going to university. There is no mention of any purpose. That is the main purpose. We have to think that main purpose. Okay. But he goes to the university to meet Mr. Mehta. ఇక్కడ అతను ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నాడు అంటాం? టు మీట్ మెహతా. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద ప్రైమరీ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ యూనివర్సిటీ నా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రైమరీ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ యూనివర్సిటీ? టు లర్న్. సో here we can use the article the. Clear? Next, she goes to hospital to get her reports check. Okay, రిపోర్ట్ చెక్ చేయించుకోవడానికి వెళ్తాం కదా మనం, హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్తాం. ఫర్ ది ట్రీట్మెంట్ పర్పస్ కోసం వెళ్తాం. తర్వాత రికార్డ్స్ చెక్ చేయించుకుంటాం, హౌ అవర్ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ గుడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, హీ గోస్ టు ద హాస్పిటల్ టు మేక్ ఫర్నిచర్ చేయడానికి వెళ్తామా మనమంతా? లేదు కదా. హీ purposefully going to the hospital for the purpose of making furniture. In the same way, I am going college every day for the main purpose. You can go. I am going to the college to pick my younger brother. Here also other reason. Okay, they are going to mosque for chanting prayers. Praying is the main purpose of mosque, na? Therefore there is no article. But they are going to mosque to water the plants. Watering of the plants is not the main purpose of mosque. Chanting prayers is the main purpose of mosque. That's why we didn't use the article, but here we use the article the. Clear, Nana? Okay, very good. Next, Rule number 6. Very, very, very important. Indefinite articles a or an are not used with the plural nouns. You know the simple reason we have already discussed. Indefinite articles, the main, what are the star points? Singulars and unknown. So, AR are not used for the plurals. These are chairs, these are leaves, those are students. Okay, why we don't use these are the chairs? Why don't we use the leaves? Why don't we use these students? Right, here we the explanation. But definite article the can be used with plural nouns to indicate some definiteness of the mentioned nouns. Definite name, definite, particular. Definite means particular, to exact one, particular one, specific one. స్పెసిఫిక్ వన్ అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఒకరి గురించి చెప్తున్నాం, ఖచ్చితంగా వారి గురించే చెప్తుంటే వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ద డెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్ ద చైర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ వైట్. అంటే చైర్స్ ఏమంట, వైట్ కలర్ ఉన్నటువంటి చైర్స్ ఆర్ అవర్స్. దేర్ ఫోర్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద ఆర్టికల్ ద హియర్. క్లియర్? For plural nouns, we don't want to use any article. Okay? But in a particular manner, we can use the article the. Clear? Right now. Next, rule number 7. Omission of article, rule number 7. Very, 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 very important. డైలీ మీరు చేసేటువంటి మిస్టేక్స్లో నంబర్ 1 మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే ఇది. నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ మీల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డే బిగినింగ్ టు డే ఎండింగ్, వాట్ ద ఫుడ్ we are taking, we have names for that. Okay, for that we don't want to use any article. Suppose in the morning breakfast, in the afternoon lunch, in the evening or night supper or dinner, snacks also. Not snacks, it's not snacks, it's snacks. Okay, right, Nana? Sure. I feel sleepy after dinner. There is no article. Clear? She takes lunch at 12:30. Okay. But suppose if the dinner is given by your friend, suppose Raju. Yesterday, Raju given a dinner. The lunch, lunch అనుకుందాం, లంచ్ అని డిన్నర్ కానీ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. ద లంచ్ హోస్టెడ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్. ఏమంట, డెఫినెట్గా చెప్తున్నాం కదా, పర్టికులర్గా చెప్తున్నాం కదా ఇక్కడ. ఫర్ ద పర్టికులర్ ఇట్ వాజ్ డెలిషియస్, చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉన్నిందంట. ఫర్ దట్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ద కటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వి స్పీకింగ్ specifically, we need to use the definite article. Clear? Very, very important rule. What is the rule number 7? Names of meals do not follow definite article. I feel sleepy after dinner. She takes lunch at 12:30 p.m. I used to take breakfast in that hotel. Okay, clear? Clear? Good. Shall we move for another rule? Right. Very, 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 very important. Very important. Time of the day and night do not follow any article. Time of day. Time of day. Time of what are the time of the day? Morning, afternoon, night, and dawn. DAWN, dawn means it's also dawn means చీకటి అంటారు. ఈవినింగ్ టైమ్స్ వస్తుంది, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ dawn. Dark. Dawn means dark. These birds are mostly active at dawn. సన్సెట్ టైంలో ఉంటుంది కదా. We arrived late at night. ఇంకా ఎక్కడెక్కడ అంటే డే బ్రేక్, సన్ రైజ్, బిఫోర్ సన్సెట్, అట్ మిడ్ నైట్, అట్ 12th, at noon. We don't want to use any article. But if we get the preposition in or during, if we get these two prepositions in or during, we definitely use the. He came in the morning. He came in the morning. She shouts during the night. Okay. What is not rule number 8? What is the rule number 8? Time of the day: morning, afternoon, night, midnight, dawn, sunset, sunrise, daybreak, twilight, at noon. We don't want to use for this, we don't want to use any article. But if we get the in and during, if we get these two words, we need to use the. That is the simple. Clear? Right, Nano. Next, very, 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 very important, parallel phrases. Parallel phrases means, what are parallel phrases? First of all, we discuss the parallel phrases. PP, you remember for the word, so letters PP. Here it is the P, here it is the P. There is some any words is there between them. They are called parallel phrases. Arm in arm, hand in hand, wife and husband, bread and jam, okay. Okay, shoe and socks, there is like that, face to face, hand to hand. Okay, these are all called parallel phrases. There is no article before these parallel phrases. Parallel phrases never follow article. Never follow article. They walk arm in arm. అంటే చేతిలో చేసుకొని నడుస్తూ ఉన్నారంట. ఆర్మ్ ఇన్ ఆర్మ్ అంటే హ్యాండ్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్. దే ఆర్ హస్బెండ్ అండ్ వైఫ్. We met face to face. For these parallel phrases, we don't want to use any articles. Is this clear? Right. Next, rule number 10. We have already discussed material and materials, metals we don't want to use, and abstract nouns. This is the rule of mixing of that both rules. We don't want to use before material nouns and abstract nouns and proper nouns. What is the country name called we living in? Is that India, London, France, Tom, gold, rice, honesty, virtue, Paris. Suppose Paris is the capital of France. Paris here, Paris is also a proper noun. France is also a proper noun. We don't want to use any article. Gold, we have already discussed that it is a metal, we don't want to use. Honesty, it is an abstract noun. We cannot touch the honesty. Nijaiti. Honesty means what, Nana? Nijaiti. Can we touch that honesty? No. So that is abstract noun. So we don't want to use any article. Right? But we say the United States of America, but you can say United Arab Emirates. Why? We have rule for that one also. We will discuss in the next one. Yes, shall we go for that? That is rule number 11. We don't use any article before names of continents and countries. Asia, Norway, India, Sri Lanka. Okay, these are all Bangladesh, Australia. We don't want to use any article before them, but we use the before names of the countries or state which include the words like republic. The China is called the Republic of China. Union, Kingdom, the United Kingdom, United States of America. That's why we got the United Kingdom, the United States. For what, Nana? If the names of the countries included with Republic, Union, Kingdom, States, we use the as an article. Clear? Right. Rule number 12. Articles are not used with the nouns like man, woman, used in general and widest sense. Man is mortal. Woman is cleverer than man. Man is a social animal. సారీ, ఎక్కడంటే అక్కడ మనం క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. క్లియర్? ఈస్ దిస్ క్లియర్ ఆర్ నాట్, Nanam? Articles are not used with the nouns like man and woman in a general and widest manner. అంటే అందరినీ కలిపి చెప్తున్నప్పుడు మ్యాన్ అంటే ఒక మ్యాన్ గురించి అని కాదు, ఆల్ మ్యాన్. ఓకే, వైడెస్ట్ సెన్స్లో చెప్పేటప్పుడు don't want to use any a man is a mortal. That is not a man is mortal is not a complete sentence. Man is mortal, woman is cleverest than the man. Clear? Next, rule number 13. Article not used, very, 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 very important. The words, the phrases are formed by preposition plus noun. Preposition plus noun. See here, on is a preposition, foot is a noun. On foot, at school, at home, in bed, by train, by car, in debt, in hand, on earth, at noon, on board, in jest, at best, from top, at bottom, at worst. In these, we don't want to use the articles. Clear? Preposition plus noun If preposition plus noun comes, the article removes. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Article removes. Clear? Preposition plus noun, article removes. On foot, at school, at home, in bed, by train. Okay? Clear? Right. Next, rule number 14. We have already discussed that no article is used before continents, countries, cities, towns, dates, months, arts, sciences, some diseases. Okay. January, March, physics, English, Tokyo, Beijing, Delhi, Tuesday, Friday, Asia, America. These are all already we have discussed in different things. Okay. December is a cold month. Linguistics is tough. We have discussed now. We don't want to use in before the names of continents, before the names of countries, before the names of cities, before the names of towns. That means that proper nouns. These are all proper nouns. Na? For that proper nouns, we don't want to use the articles. Days, months, arts, sciences. These are all for that. We don't want to use the articles. Okay. Next, rule number 15. We have already discussed articles are not used before plural nouns when they used to denote whole class. Okay, whole class గురించి చెప్తూ ఉంటే we don't want to use any article. Okay, there also we have discussed now man, woman, in like that. Apples, actually we use the apples, but we don't want to use. Why? Because of apples are denoted in the whole apple family. Apples are red. Camels are useful animals. Warm clothes are necessary during winter. Okay, these are all plurals. We don't want to use any article. Clear? Next, very important, that any article not used before names of festivals. Very important. Before the names of festival: Diwali, Holi, Dasara, Ugadi. Okay, we celebrate Holi in the month of March. They celebrate Christmas. Eid is a festival of joy. Okay, very what is the rule number 16? Names of festivals do not follow any article. Okay, clear? Right. Rule number 17. Before the words like father, mother, aunt, uncle, no article is used. ఏ ఫాదర్ ఒక ఫాదర్ అన్నారు కదా, ఏ మదర్ ఒక మదర్ అన్నారు కదా. ఫాదర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అట్ హోమ్. ఏ ఫాదర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అట్ హోమ్ అన్నాను. ది ఫాదర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అట్ హోమ్ అన్నాను. Aunt has to come to see me. Mother is always carrying. Caring అది carrying అని వచ్చింది. Okay. What is the rule number 17? Before the words like what? Father, mother, aunt, uncle. Father, mother, aunt, uncle. We don't want to use any article. Clear? Okay. These are the 17 rules we have not to use articles. Okay. Write in your notes each article, each rule, and learn all the rules. and write every example. Homework is that write 100 sentences by using of 17 rules and their examples. Okay, 100 rules examples ఉన్నాయి కదా, సారీ 17 రూల్స్ అండ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటిని యూజ్ చేసి రైట్ యువర్ ఓన్ సెంటెన్సెస్, 100 ఓన్ సెంటెన్సెస్. ఓకే, దెన్ యూ విల్ బీ aware of everything. Hope you understand everything. If you have any doubts, you can call us and you can clear your doubts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving this great opportunity to me to teach you. Thank you so much. Bye. S. Raghavendra. Thank you. From Raghu Sainik School. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you. Bye everyone.